I'm going to show you how to turn literal scrap paper into this Cernan undercurrent pistol model. First, grab a few sheets of scratch paper. Roll them into paper sticks, one thick, one thin, and one medium. Flatten the long one into a stiff strip. Glue the barrels and the strip together. This forms the core of our frame. Now for the grip. Roll a thick tube, pinch it into an ergonomic shape, and attach it. Don't forget the trigger. I cut this one from some leftover scraps. We're leaving this middle section open because that's where the soul gems are going to sit later. Time to give it some skin. I'm layering on more paper to match the specific look of the game model. Detail is everything. I'm even adding a tactical rail on top for future attachments and a couple of small paper nibs for the iron sights. The outline of our pistol is forged. Next episode, we're crafting over a dozen gems, painting the gold finish,